Why did the 2018 Jeep Wrangler only score a 1-star rating in the Euro ncap test? In this video we will take a closer look and go through the test results. First, let's take a look at the front offset deformable barrier test. Test speed 64 km/h, equivalent to 40 miles per hour. Here you can see the impact from the passenger side. And the front view. For the rear passengers, dummy readings showed high shoulder belt loads, weak protection of the neck and chest. In the frontal offset test, the connection between the A-pillar and the trans-fascia beam was damaged in a way that indicated the structure would be unable to withstand higher loads. Similarly, deformation of the footwell showed that the structure had reached the limit of its integrity. Although dummy readings indicated good protection of the knees and femurs of the driver and passenger dummy, structures in the dashboard were thought to present a risk to occupants of different sizes and to those sitting in different positions, and protection of this body area was rated as marginal. Dummy readings, together with the penalty applied for the unstable body shell, resulted in protection of the driver chest being rated as weak. Next, let's take a look at the front full-width rigid barrier test. Test speed 50 km/h. In the full-width rigid barrier test, dummy readings of chest compression showed marginal protection of the driver chest. For the rear passenger, dummy readings showed weak protection of the neck. This combined with high shoulder belt loads resulted in poor protection of the chest. The lack of belt pre-tensioner and load limiter for the rear passengers might be a reason for the poor results. For adults, the Wrangler scored maximum points, with good protection of all critical body areas in the side barrier test. For child occupants, the head of the 10-year dummy contacted the car interior and protection was rated as marginal. The Wrangler has no side crash protection airbags in the rear. The protection of all other critical body areas was good. The front passenger airbag can be disabled to allow a rearward-facing child restraint to be used in that seating position. However, several problems were seen when installing several child restraints in the vehicle, including those in the universal category. Tests on the front seats and head restraints indicated good protection against whiplash injuries in the event of a rear-end collision. A geometric assessment of the rear seats also indicated good whiplash protection. The protection provided by the bonnet to the head of a struck pedestrian was predominantly poor or adequate. The bumper provided good protection to pedestrians' legs while protection of the pelvis was mixed. For safety assist, the Wrangler has a seatbelt reminder system for the front and rear seats as standard. A driver set speed assistance system allows the driver to set the appropriate limit, to help prevent excessive speeding. The Wrangler lacks all other safety assist features and therefore the score was low also in this category. How would you rate this car? Would you feel safe driving it? Please comment below.